Hey, hello, hi, how are you? I'm great, thanks. I'm Andrew Hollingworth, the artistic director at Buckle Up Theatre.
And I'm Tim.
He helps.
I'm the co-director.
He helps.
Co-director.
At Buckle Up Theatre, we're keeping busy. 2 sugars, thanks, as we prepare for the Edinburgh Fringe.
One plane ticket to Scotland.
There should be 2.
You're welcome.
Theatre is about looking after one another. Hello? No, I don't give to charity. It's about respect. It's about listening to one
about
another.
being
Shut
liked,
up! But we need your help.
Cup of tea.
Ta. Yeah, sure. Buckle Up Theatre's doing great. We got loads of cash. We're loaded. But this isn't real. None of this is.
The game. Yeah. Playing to survive. Aiming to win any way they can.